Are you tired of traditional work methods? Discover 3 effortless strategies to earn $100,000 online within a year. Ready to transform your financial future? In today's video, we're diving into the realm of online entrepreneurship, where we'll unveil 3 remarkably simple yet effective methods to generate a substantial income without breaking a sweat. If you've ever dreamed of making $100,000 from the comfort of your own home in the next year, then you're in the right place. Let's explore these lazy yet lucrative opportunities together. Before we start, be sure to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications by clicking the bell icon. Now, let's dive into the video. In this video, we'll explore 3 strategies for generating significant income online without a hefty time investment. 1. Running YouTube cash cow channels. Cash cow channels on YouTube are a game changer for those seeking passive income. Unlike conventional channels where being on camera is a must, cash cow channels thrive on niche content without demanding your constant presence. Choosing a niche related to health, wealth, relationships, or tech, and then narrowing it down to a specific sub-niche helps attract a focused audience. For instance, AI Uncovered specializes in delivering the latest updates on artificial intelligence and technology, potentially raking in revenue through ad views. Creating content for these channels doesn't have to be a grind. Tools like TubeMagic simplify the process by generating endless video ideas and even crafting scripts for you. Additionally, platforms like Storyblocks provide access to a vast library of stock footage, enabling you to spruce up your videos effortlessly. The integrated Storyblocks Maker tool further streamlines the editing process, allowing you to produce polished, professional-looking videos with ease. With these resources at your disposal, running a cash cow channel becomes not only feasible but also remarkably efficient. 2. Promoting high payout partner products. Promoting high payout partner products is a strategy where you collaborate with creators who have already crafted valuable products, like courses or software. Your role is to market these products to your audience and earn a commission for every sale you generate. Imagine teaming up with someone who has developed a comprehensive course on YouTube growth strategies. If your YouTube channel caters to viewers keen on improving their online presence, this partnership could be a gold mine. Affiliate programs facilitate this collaboration by offering resources and support to boost your earning potential. These resources may include ready-made promotional content, such as banners, videos, and social media posts, making it easier for you to effectively market the product. Additionally, tracking tools provided by affiliate programs allow you to monitor your sales and commissions accurately, empowering you to optimize your promotional efforts. The beauty of promoting partner products lies in its potential for passive income. Once you've set up your promotions and attracted interested buyers, you can earn commissions without the need for ongoing active involvement. This means that while you sleep or focus on other aspects of your life, your promotional efforts continue to generate income. Moreover, the flexibility of affiliate marketing enables you to choose products that resonate with your audience and align with your interests. This authenticity fosters trust and credibility, making it more likely for your audience to engage with the promoted products. In essence, promoting high payout partner products is a mutually beneficial arrangement where you leverage your platform and audience to drive sales for creators while earning a commission for your efforts. It's a win-win scenario that rewards both you and the product creator, with the potential for substantial earnings over time. 3. Promoting partner software for recurring income. In the realm of generating income online, there's a method that centers on promoting partner software, and it's a game changer. Take TubeMagic, for instance. They offer an affiliate program that lets you pocket a slice of the pie for every subscription they snag through your referral. Here's where the magic happens. Instead of a one-time sale, you get a recurring cut from each monthly subscription. It's like having a money tree that keeps on giving as long as users stick around. Picture this. You're leveraging your YouTube channel to sing the praises of software like TubeMagic. You're not just recommending it, you're showcasing how it can transform the lives of your audience. Maybe it's a tool that simplifies video editing, optimizes SEO, or streamlines content creation. Whatever it is, your endorsement carries weight because it comes from a trusted source, your channel. Now, let's talk numbers. Say you're pulling in subscribers left and right, and a good chunk of them take the plunge and sign up for Tube Magic. With each new subscriber, you're adding another stream of passive income to your arsenal. And here's the kicker. As long as these subscribers keep using the software, you keep earning. It's the epitome of set it and forget it. Well, almost. Because here's the thing. To rake in those sweet earnings, you need to be strategic. You gotta be savvy with your promotions, targeting the right audience with the right message. Maybe it's a tutorial on how Tube Magic revolutionized your workflow or a breakdown of its key features and benefits. Whatever your approach, it's all about showing your audience why they need this software in their lives. And that's where the magic happens. With consistent targeted promotion and a loyal audience, hitting that $100,000 mark in annual revenue suddenly doesn't seem so far-fetched. It's a testament to the power of affiliate marketing and the potential it holds for those willing to put in the work. So go ahead, unleash the magic, and watch as your passive income streams turn into a steady flow of financial freedom. Each method presents distinct advantages: scalability with YouTube channels, simplicity in promoting partner products, and stability through software affiliations. By integrating these strategies and refining your approach, you can establish diverse income streams and progress toward financial objectives. It's essential to recognize that success in online entrepreneurship demands dedication, consistency, and adaptability to evolving trends. By consistently applying these principles and continuously optimizing your methods, you can increase your chances of attaining financial success. Embrace the journey of entrepreneurship with a proactive mindset, knowing that each effort contributes to your overall progress. With persistence and strategic adaptation, you can build a sustainable online business that supports your long-term financial aspirations. Conclusion. In conclusion, the prospect of making $100,000 online in the next year through lazy methods is indeed enticing. The 3 strategies outlined in the video offer promising avenues for achieving this goal. By leveraging cash cow channels on YouTube, promoting high payout partner products, and endorsing partner software, individuals can tap into passive income streams with minimal effort. These methods eliminate the need for constant hands-on involvement, allowing for scalability and long-term earning potential. While success is not guaranteed, implementing these strategies diligently and consistently can significantly increase the likelihood of reaching the $100,000 milestone in the specified time frame. With the right approach and commitment, individuals can turn their online ventures into lucrative income streams, paving the way for financial freedom and flexibility. Ensure you are subscribed to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload new videos. Farewell for now, and until next time, take care.